the Science Electric Flying Field in San Diego, the home of the AMA here in my hometown.
So here's what I want to do. This was my idea, because we have one of the #1 racers in the world.
If not the #1 racer in the world.
We've got someone who was here at the beginning of drone racing.
Yeah,
Rusty.
You're a little rusty.
I'm a little rusty, a lot rusty.
But I mean, again, I say that as someone who can't race at all. So you guys are both very talented pilots in your own right, but there's definitely a gap in skill in different areas. So you're really good at racing, but Zoe, you're really good at 3D.
Yes.
So I wanted to take those two things, smack them together. This is 3D drone racing.
Oh boy.
So here's what we're gonna do. 2 laps. Each of you have to do 2 laps. First lap is upright.
Okay.
Oh,
Second
no.
lap, do the whole course inverted.
Actually never flown 3D FPV before, but I fly like to pitch helicopters, so I'm familiar with the throttle control of flying. I think it's gonna take getting used to flying an FPV quad upside down, but hey, I'm excited to try it.
So 3D is the ability for the drone to reverse its thrust. So generally the thrust is going downwards. The motor will stop midair and actually reverse thrust in the opposite direction. So you can sustain yourself in inverted flight.
But I think one of the coolest things you can do with 3D flight is just to navigate, just move around.
Funny
right?
you think that's one of the coolest things. I think that's one of the most boring things to do with it. Everything is upside down. Your human brain wants everything to be right side up, so it just looks wrong. Today I feel like Vanover, even though Vanover has some collective pitch history, the actual ability to see the world upside down and correlate what the world's doing with what you want the sticks to do is gonna probably melt his brain a little bit. But if anyone can do it, Vanover can do it.
All right, give us a demo. Let's see what you got.
Okay.
Oh man, that's trippy. I've never actually seen it live. FPV 3D. It's so trippy. Oh man, I might lose this challenge. I'm not gonna lie. I've been able to troll in the past, Zoe. I was able to troll them. I don't think I'm gonna be able to troll you in this. I think you know what you're doing. But if I can get it faster, I think it should be your total time between both laps combined.
Totally. So if you can just do a crazy fast first upright lap.
Yeah. Then I can make up. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so screwed. This. I mean, this makes me want to try 3D.
That's music to Zoe's ears.
Kind of is. Well, the thing is, like, most people see videos, you know, when you see it in person, you see what it's actually capable of, and the fact that it's better than it was a couple years ago. Yeah, I'm bring it on in.
Yeah, I want to try it just a pack flying it. Oh, it's so trippy to me. Like, it gets me so many cool ideas too. Like, oh my gosh.
That was awesome.
Woo! That was good. That was good.
We'll see.
All right, I need a battery.
I mean, honestly, Vanover really wants one battery to get used to 3D.
No, I want more.
Wait, but you just said.
But I said I will take a minimum of 1. If that is in the sake of
How
this
many
episode.
do you think you're gonna need?
I don't know.
We'll find out after this first battery.
We'll find out after the first battery.
So this is the HT1, one of my favorite bashers for 3D. It's not the most elegant frame when it comes to freestyle, but it gets the job done, and it will survive crashes for today. I guess the only difference with this 3D prop, so you have a symmetrical airfoil, so when you go inverted, it has the same sort of airfoil on the top as it does the bottom.
Oh man, I'm gonna sit down too, because this is gonna...
Yeah, you're gonna want to sit down for this one.
All right. Fly it around, get used to flying it.
Flying it normally, you know.
Yeah.
Can use that throttle range is important. It should feel mostly like a normal quad when you're flying it upright.
The biggest thing is like when I do a roll, you know, don't drop the throttle all the way. Let's line her up on the horizon. Okay.
Let's go with the hover already. I think he might got this. I think he got
this. It's a bit different FPV.
Yeah, he's gaining altitude to try to keep it away from the ground while he learns.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit of yawing, getting used to things. Yeah. The first time when you fly a 3D, it's just getting, oh wow, he's already TikToking. I'm screwed.
Most people people, the first time they fly 3D, it's like a really big struggle. Like, how does Vanover compare to other people that you've seen fly 3D for the first time?
I mean, he just landed into the ground, but pretty good otherwise.
I dropped the throttle too quickly. I want to just practice a bit more.
He's gonna send it.
Hit a gate. So it's gonna blow my mind if he can hit a gate on his second pass, because I've done a fair amount of 3D. Not a fair amount. I've done enough that I can do some tricks. But if I try to just fly through a gap, I can't do it. And these are small gates too.
Fine.
If you can do it today, even, I'll be very impressed. You don't want
I
to.
think he's got this one.
Is this gonna be it?
Hold on, we're being patient.
Hey!
Oh, my video just went out. It just like died after I made it through the gate.
But you made it through the
I made
gate.
it through the gate.
Yes, he made it through the gate.
And then I went to punch out and it just froze.
So we know the rules. 1 lap upright, 1 lap upside down Z's.
Now, do we have to stay completely upside down the entire time?
No, we got to give Alex a shot. He can go upright, but he
Upside
has
down
to.
through the
every
gates.
gate has
The
to.
gates.
The second lap, every gate has to be inverted. But if you need to like go upright to.
To line it up and everything.
So we know the rules. What are the
I
stakes?
think the loser should have to go on Rotor Riot community on
Okay.
Facebook and acknowledge that the other person is the better pilot.
When the episode publishes,
episode comes
they
out.
have to post it to the Rotorite Facebook group as well as their personal Instagram.
Okay.
I won't do it.
What's your handle? What's your handle?
I'll do it on my story. At Captain Vanover FPV. Loser has to post on the Rotor Riot community Facebook and on their story that the other person.
What's your Instagram?
At Zoe FPV.
And the real winner will be one of you guys. In the comment section, that winner will receive a unicorn frame. That's Zoe's signature FPV frame for 3D flight. It's a really unique design. She designed it herself. So one of you guys are gonna get that. So make sure to leave a comment. How about right now, comment, who do you think is gonna win this challenge?
This is the closest I've ever
gonna win.
felt to actually losing a challenge thus far in Rotor Riot, so I'm a bit nervous.
Honestly,
I'm not
this is the
gonna lie.
closest I felt to losing a challenge rotor.
Have you ever lost a Rotor Riot challenge?
No.
You've never. So we're both undefeated.
Undefeated champs of Rotor Riot's made up challenges.
And I have. Oh, this makes you. Yeah, Rotor Riot's made. All right, let's get going. You know, I normally don't respect my opponents, but I have a lot of respect for Zoe. I'm going to take her very seriously. I think I'm a bit above her level as far as racing. I think that's going to give me the win today.
Is that little boy over there talking smack?
Yeah, what do you think about Vanover?
I mean, it's gonna be an honor to win or lose to him. He's a great pilot, and this is gonna be a lot of fun.
That's your best smack talk? He was talking malarkey. Come on, lay it on
Fucking
him.
malarkey.
I don't
Lay
I
it
don't
on
talk
him.
smack.
Next
Small,
time we have to do a face-off.
small child.
Wait. All right, you ready? Let's go.
Face off.
He's so tiny.
All right, everyone ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, I'm arming. Here we go, 3, here we go, I'm gonna start. I didn't.
Oh! Vanny,
Even
no!
start. Okay, wait, we're back.
He went through it already.
It's okay, guys. And this is start.
Hey, upside down.
Now I have to go back through it, like, here we go.
Yeah. All right. You're up.
Whoa, that was weird.
You got this, Vanover.
Should have stopped this.
Oh, missed it.
Go back for it.
I'm going back for it. I was through, but I'm upside down now. No, I can't take back off.
How about we'll give each competitors
three
three. You get 3 attempts.
I'm only gonna need 1 attempt.
Well,
He was rushing it. I'm only gonna need 1 attempt.
You know, watching Alex crash through the first gate, right side up, felt pretty good. Not gonna lie to you.
are you upside down right now? Is he upside down?
Yeah, he was.
Wind is pushing hard in that
Yeah,
direction.
the wind is gnarly.
No, that was an explosion.
You did the.
No,
So
I'm
are we
upside down.
giving him a 4th attempt, or?
That was my second attempt.
That was the second attempt.
Are we doing-
He got further.
I mean, the wind was pushing super duper hard, and I couldn't line it up in time.
Yeah, it was the wind for sure.
Yep, wind.
For sure, the wind.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm not gonna make a mistake. I got this. I need to.
Just don't make a mistake.
I won't.
Don't make a mistake. You got this. All you gotta do is finish. You got this.
I know.
He's taking on a new strategy. Even though I was impressed with his previous attempts where he was actually doing consecutive gates, I think it's wise that he's just taking his time and getting it done.
I don't know.
Oh boy. Still up.
Yes, it is the right gate.
No.
Thank you, Captain Obvious.
Sorry. Oh! Interference with the camera.
Yeah, interference. Oh my gosh.
Dude, you got a loose prop. You have a loose prop. We got a rerun. Bring it in. Sorry.
Well, I mean, he hit a gate last one, and then Nurk hit him with the quad, and his prop came undone. The first time Vanny was up, he ended up crashing through the start gate, which I consider that an attempt. And so this is like attempt 5, but it's his 3rd official attempt or something.
How does that make you feel?
You guys are giving me every advantage you can so I can lose. I'm not completely mad, but if it doesn't happen this time, I'm gonna throw the quad at him. Okay, there we go.
Got it?
Yep. Ready, everyone?
Ready. He's going at this upright lap with a vengeance.
I stuck it. It's down.
Can you take back up?
No.
It's over?
No, it's over.
So that's it.
I mean, I can't finish.
I can't wait for him to post that I'm the better pilot.
Yeah, it is what it is.
Rack him up, rack him up.
You can literally take as long as you want.
I could go faster, but I'm literally just chilling.
No need to. Yeah, I wanted to do the same thing, like power loop into it.
Okay, that was freaking sweet.
That was-
Wow!
Technically, you just need to get through the next 2 gates. Okay, one more gate to get through. And I lost.
What? It's happening! It's happening!
She's correcting upside down. It's insane. It looks so weird. And here she goes. Full course inverted.
Oh my god!
She made it through. She made it through.
Through the gate! That's smart, through the gate. That was amazing.
Good job.
That's really impressive.
Now I just gotta say, I cannot wait to see the social media posts from this young flying champion of DRL. It is warms my heart.
Listen, wait. We can all agree that for his first time flying 3D FPV, he's really good.
Yeah.
Just not as good as Zoe.
If you ain't first, you're last.
Ooh.
Well, guys, this has been 3D racing. I don't know.
This has been Rotor Ryan and Vanover losing
He's so salty. I don't know if this has ever been done before, but it was really awesome seeing 2 titans of their specialties coming together, mixing it up.
That still means I'm the only undefeated pilot within Rotor Ride Challenges.
That is true. So now we're gonna have to start trying to stack the deck against you.
Fudge!
You guys got any other challenges for us? What do you? What kind of weird things should we try and do with these drones? We love pushing the limits and trying different things.
Yeah, I just gotta say thank you, Vanover, like for trying it out. Like seeing him, a new pilot to 3D, actually try that and try to beat me at a challenge is awesome.
He was just
Like,
eating his feelings.
No, but
We don't learn from our wins,
Okay.
we learn from our losses. That's a Vanover quote.
Tell him to subscribe. Tell him to subscribe.
Oh, yeah, subscribe, buy stuff in the store so I can get more free motors and cameras.
Oh my god. Whoa. Dude, what is that? Oh my god, that's the bell down there.
That's the bell.
Guys,
yeah,
whoa,
hit
wow.
that bell icon.
Hit that bell, guys. This has been Rotor Riot. We'll see you next time.
Woo!
Bro.
No, bad decision. Oh my god.